This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 20 of building Knight Rider Kit. It looks like Kit. We've already got the scanny light, but yeah, we're building the engine at the moment. The turbine, I believe, is the correct use of the word in those. But first of all, the magazine, as ever, Heart of Stone, or Hearts of Stone, should we say. The Foundation attempts to dismantle the arms trafficking network. Season 1, episode 14. Yeah, we're working our way through all of the episodes. A nice little guide and flashbacks of what happened and things. In this episode, we see the first Kitt's new LED voice modulator. It's got the nice looking one instead of just the flashy thing. Very cool. I don't know why. Well, they changed it because people like Cars version. But I don't know how they wrote it into the series of it changing that. I haven't seen this episode for a long time. So when I do, I'll probably find out. Or maybe not. They might just changed it for the sake of it, as they did with a few of these things. So it doesn't really make any difference at all. So yes, there we go. Robert Foster was the writer for that episode. Lots of pictures from the episode you can have a look at your own leisure. And the build, obviously, we're putting together the right exhaust of the turbine. As I say, next time we're doing the left exhaust of the turbine, which is exactly the same, but flipped over. But we'll go through that, and we're just building that to look like that, and then we'll end up with another one of them, and then I think in 22 we'll be putting them together. Tear gas. I don't remember him using tear gas, but obviously he has. In fact, he only used it once. There we go. Like his smoke screen, but yeah. Shot out through the exhaust pipe. It's interesting. The button that activates the tear gas is marked tear gas. Who could possibly have guessed? A button incorporated at the last minute, just because they needed a button that said tear gas, so they put it in instead of ski mode. Interesting. Right, I shall clear the bench. I shall get the parts ready, and we'll start the build. It won't take very long. Okay, here we are. These are the parts required. Plastic, and plastic. All plastic, but there we go. The big turbine thing itself is metal, so it makes up for it. So we're going to be, first of all, using BP screws to hold these two pieces together. Nice and easy. It slips together just like that. And yeah, you may be wondering why I'm not using my electric screwdriver for this at the moment. I just think it's easier for when there's only a couple of screws there and thereabouts. It's just easier to use the manual one rather than, you know, messing around with the electric one. So there we go. I'll use that when I've got multiple screws to put in. So that's that. That then goes on top of there, like so. Not very tricky to do that. And that is, the cover goes over the top of that. That way round. That way round, doesn't it? Yep, with a single CP screw holding that in the middle. And then 2 more CP screws holding that on the other 2. So let's get 3 out while I'm going to need them. It does say, when it comes to putting the pieces together, don't rush. Always a good idea. Make sure everything fits together as it should first. Or doing anything. Now, again, I'm not going to tighten down that one until I get all of them put in. It seems a little bit like overkill to have 3 screws holding all this part together. But why not? Problem is that it's light enough being plastic that we don't need to worry about putting too much weight into the kit on this part. So there we go. That is that. That is that. And the third one obviously all lines up properly. And that is the end of this week's build. Nice, quick, easy thing to put together. It's going to go on there somehow. I don't know. I've got literally no idea how it fits. I'm assuming one goes on one side and one goes on the other. But nothing seems to be... There's a curve in there that might match up. So it doesn't really match up anyway. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go by. But for now, that's that. Join me next time for doing one of those in reverse. Not taking it apart, but I mean the opposite side. So I'll do it very shortly for that. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.